Hello friends, welcome to our channel Query Hub. Please subscribe my channel before watching this video.
Today I am going to show you how you will use Microsoft Office 365 free without any crack or keygen. So let's start. So first you need to go to this link. I will paste this link in my comment and go down, and you need to download the ODT. See here the ODT is downloaded. Now what you need to do, you need to go to the C drive, okay, and here you need to create one folder, okay, with the name Office 365. Same way I have created here. You can right click here, go to the new and create the folder and name it as Office 365 or Microsoft Office. Okay, after that you need to go to the your now we will go to our download items, okay, and you need to click on the downloaded file and you can click on the yes and then accept the software license and continue. Then it will ask you for the path where you want to install. Then you can go and select your path where you have created the folder. See, I have created this folder. You select this Office 365 and click on OK. Then you can come on the C drive and you can open your folder. See here, you will have these many options. Okay, after the extraction, you will have these much files in the newly created folder. Now the next step is, and you will have to open one new link. Okay, I will share it with you. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to go to this link, okay, and copy this code. Okay, so this code will be used to activate the Microsoft Office freely, and then you can open a notepad. We will be copying the code and will save in the notepad. Now here we need the product close 2024 volume only. Okay, so what we are going to do is we need to remove this code. Okay, and remember, okay, now you need to click on save as and you need to go to the same folder which we have created and save it with configuration.xml with the name XML and click on save. I have already saved it, so I'm not doing it again. So one thing also you need to do is, okay, before saving that file, okay, what you need to do, you need to copy this key, okay, and replace this. You need to copy this key and replace it here and then save. Now the next step is you need to open command prompt with administrator right. After that, what you need to do is write cd /. So now it will go to the C drive, and then again you need to go to the folder path which you have created. So I am writing cd Office 365. Now I am into the Office 365 folder. After this, what you are going to do, then again go to the screen from where you have copied this product key. Okay? Now go up screen. There you will have one more code. This is setup.exe configuration.xml. You need to copy this code, okay, and then again go to the admin, and then again go to the command prompt and paste the same code, and then click on enter button. So what will happen? It will start. What will happen? It will start installing the Microsoft Office 365. So after few minutes, it will be installed based on your internet speed. So as I have already installed this, I will be closing this. Now friends, we will check our all Office application will be installed. See, Excel is installed. Now we'll check for the Word. Yeah, Word is also installed. Let's open Excel. Once it is opened, you need to go to the account, okay, and here you see the change product key. Then again you need to click. Now, as you can see, it is asking the Office product key. Now, as you can see, it is asking the Office product key. What we are going to do, we'll go to the screen from where we have copied the code, okay. We'll scroll it down. So previously we have copied this product code. Now we are going to copy this product code, okay, and we can paste it here. Then just click on activate office. So once we will click the activate office, it once we will click on the activate web office, it will go to your next screen where it will ask for the how you want to activate. So you can click on the recommended one and click on finish. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, please share and subscribe.